Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. In today's video, we are going to do the Ghost Supernatural set by Red Apple Fireworks. I did finally get my Red Apple order in. It was an absolute mess, and I didn't do an unboxing video for it because I was just so frustrated getting it in. It wasn't Red Apple's fault. They were really good to deal with. The shipping company was just a nightmare, and it took almost 3 months to get my order in up to the stash house. So, anyway, I do have some Red Apple product now, and it is time to check this stuff out and look at it. So, this is one of their finale sets. It has 4 different cakes in it. All of them are, I believe, 16 shot. Yep, 1632, 64 shot. And we've got a green, an orange, a purple, and a blue ghost, all with different effects on them. Colors are all different. There are 2 that end with crackling. There's some strobe in here. It sounds like there's a lot of different looks on this. So I wanted to pick this one up and check it out. On the box, it says it has up to 90 seconds total duration. And seeing Red Apple is usually really good about labeling the times on stuff with the up to times. I figured I would put these all on one of my R12 units from Pyro Boom and actually set the times that the cake says and just let it auto fire and see how close those times actually are for a consumer product. So inside the box we have these 4 cakes. They are all 16 shot. And they say we get 1-inch tube calibers, up to 25 seconds duration. So I looked at them. We got up to 25 seconds, up to 25 seconds, up to 25 seconds. And on the box we have up to 90 seconds duration. But that's 100 seconds if we add those all up. So I'm thinking there's going to be a little bit of discrepancy in here, but I'm still going to take my R12 unit, I'm going to set it into F2 mode, and I'm going to schedule each of these cues to go 25 seconds after the other, and let's see how close the timing is on those. Now, all of them do say they are angled for effect and to face this side towards spectators. So I'm going to tape all 4 of these up together. We'll get them all opened up, wired up to the R12, and set them off. Once again, it's a consumer product, so the timing's never going to be exact, but a 10-second difference between what's published here and what's published here. I am wondering what kind of lag time we'll have for them, but this is why we test. This is why we see. I got a case, so I have another set of these, so next time I fire them, I can adjust the timing some from there. Oh, this is an easier fuse pull than some of them as well. Doesn't look like it will get as stuck to it. So I'm going to get these set up. I'm going to fire them in the green, orange, purple, blue order. And let's see how these look now, everyone. Definitely a lag. That or just a So I would say Red Apple lies about the times. This should be Supernatural Blue now? Or Moons?
Supernatural. That or stability. So I would say red apple is nice about the times.